What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today y'all, I'll be doing a quick and simple makeup tutorial. Guys, I was thinking about uploading this video on my other channel. If I do guys, I will put the link in the description below so you guys can check out all my other makeup videos as well. Okay, so first I'm just going to start by putting my hair into a ponytail. So it'll be out of your way when doing your makeup. I have two mascaras. Now there are times that I switch up, but I usually use this one right here. This is a waterproof mascara. Let's get my camera right. So first I'm just going to start. Thanks, alright. First I'm just going to start by putting the mascara on my brow. Next, I'm going to just take my concealer and I'm going to show you guys what concealer I use. Right now it looks crazy. I mean, that's how it's going to look in the beginning. I use this concealer. I just use this one, a lighter shade. And so now I'm just going to just go underneath my brow. So this is how the eyebrow looks so far. Next, I'm going to do the other side. Running out of concealer, so I just need to get a little bit more. Trying to get as much as I can out. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm going to just take my makeup sponge or brush, don't matter. Sometimes I use my finger as well. I'm just going to take that and just smear it in. And then I'm just going to go up top. I take this eyebrow brush here and I just brush my eyebrow, and I take my fingers sometimes, just go up under it like this. I don't do as much when it comes to my makeup, especially if I'm not going anywhere. So at most I would just do my brows. Okay, so that is it, y'all. Okay guys, this is the final look. I think my eyebrows looks good. It looks natural. Okay, so this is the end of my video, guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And like I always say, we'll be back with more videos. Peace out.